As we usually see the footage from the drone's perspective, in this case we can see the unfolding event of the drone hitting a BMP. As the vehicle is driving along a field, the drone hits from an angled top attack, most likely hitting the weaker roof armor. As a large initial smoke cloud is created, just thin smoke follows the BMP. As it drives some dozens meters away, it suddenly explodes in a massive fireball as all of the ammunition inside detonates, obliterating the system completely, showing how quickly and devastating these drones are, coming in without being detected and a few seconds later resulting in the whole vehicle exploding, destroying another of Russia's BMPs, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I have for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.